Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. I get asked a lot about gold and I don't mind. I watch gold, trade gold myself. Friday, or at least last week, we started to see a push back up in the gold market. We had a spike down, left some volume down there, pushed back up, and actually had a nice spike up of volume as we came back up. Now, the gold market on the daily doesn't even have a swing point low to retest, regenerate off of all the way back in the middle of August. So it's been a month that this thing has been going pretty much to the downside. So if you want to try to figure out, is this the place, you really have to kind of go out farther and look out and see what's there. Testing these lows here breaks them. That's what this arrow tells you. But it breaks them on suspect volume. That's why the arrow's red versus green. In other words, you went under it, you had less volume, you did close under it, but as you can see on the very next bar, you're back the other way. Now here, there's actually something we can look at to tell us something as this comes back, and that is this price point area. This was a swing point low. That area is a retest, regenerate. Retest, regenerate gives you something that you can measure. And so as it comes back into this area, this will be the area that one can measure and say, okay, can it get over it? Or does it simply fail and then reverse back lower? So do we get this sort of action, or do we actually head higher? That's the test. The test is up here. So until it gets up there, there's not a lot you can do but watch. If you want to trade it speculatively, you probably had to buy that low and then put your stop right up underneath it. Or if it drifts back in there now, you could do the same thing. But that is the situation now. Yeah, gold, maybe it's putting in the bottom finally. Maybe it's not, because if you look over at silver, silver's way below the lows. Until next time, I'm LA. Take care.